Hi friends, it's Maria. I just finished these 3 journals. I'm going to call them vintage nature journals. And I'm in love with how they came out. They're just so cool. I used Reader's Digest books and there are 3 signatures in each. This one I covered with some green paper, like army green paper. I did some stamping and then I layered all kinds of things on there. And then I used a little doily on the side. I wrapped around some of this gingham and some ribbon. I did some stamping. Oh, I just love them. So that is the daisy. I'm going to call that a hydrangea. I'm not sure if it is, but love how this one came out too. So funky. Same thing. I have the ribbon with the gingham. I did a little collaging on the back, and I just used twine to wrap them because I just felt like it went with the whole vibe. Love that. And then this one, I think that's a magnolia. I could be wrong, but love this one too. I did some collage paper on the background. And again, use twine to wrap it. So let me get into it with you. I'll show you this one first since it's here. So I just included twine, comes completely off. There's a lot of sewing and strings that I left. You could cut them if you don't like them like that. But lots of layers on the front. Just love it. When you open it up, we have a little pocket here with 3 little tags. This is a cool little thing I watched someone do online. It's a little velcroed pocket. Did a lot of collaging on there, and then it has 2 little pockets in it. And then over here, there's a larger pocket that has a tag in there. Can I get it out? There we go. And there's the tag. And that goes back in. And then this Velcro's shut. And then behind it, this is a piano paper little thing I sewed together for some journaling space. Thought that came out so pretty. And just a little tag. This is just an old poem book. And this is a floral poem book also. An old vintage music sheet. I used a lot of different nature papers in here. I didn't use just one kit. I usually don't use just one kit. I usually like to mix it up a little. Painted on some dictionary page. This is the center of the first signatures. Little band, little bow on a little card. Did some stitching. This is just a little paper clipped journaling card, and I did some collaging and some washi stickers on some of the pages just to bring it all together. But I really love how these came out. This is just a die cut. They're already on my Etsy shop. So if you want to take a look, the link is in the description box. Little cluster here. This is a little digital download from Pink Monarch Butterflies. And it was a cute little thing. And I made one for each of these. It has a, little tuck spot in the middle here. A lot of collaging. There's a little side pocket. And if you turn it over, there's also a pocket on the back with 3 cards in it. So really fun. And I included that in all three. I made three of them. Some stitching. Flip out. Little collaging there. Another of those little bird cards. Little cluster here. Love these papers, one of my favorites. This is a little corner tuck, and it opens up for some writing space. And this one is a little tag here, and then it has two little side tucks here. This is the last signature. I just love these journals. They came out so pretty. Little tuck spot flip out, little journaling card back there. This is just like a little, I mean, you could use it as just journaling, big journaling card, or like a page marker, or whatever you want. But I just paper clipped that in, stitched around it. This one opens up. This is just a little journaling card with a little cluster on it. A little tuck there. Love that little bird. And a little side paper clip. And the back has a journaling card and a little pad of paper. And that is the back. So that is, I think it's a magnolia. This one is the hydrangea, I believe. Looks like a hydrangea. I don't know. I just love them. Also a Reader's Digest. It has three little journaling cards here. Has that same little Velcro pocket with a bunch of journaling cards in there. This is that little flip out. And this has the pad of paper in here. So you can see the inside is very similar. Used a lot of the same elements. Did stitching, same papers. This is a little floating pocket with two little journaling cards in it. And just clipped that in. Main frame. It's just a little cluster, little seed packet, little tuck. Another one on the back. Another little flip out here with a journaling card inside. So this is the second one. It's the hydrangea one. I'm just going to run through a quick little cluster there. This is a little belly band with a journaling card in it. It's just a little tiny little pocket. And I paint on these so that you could use them to write on. I usually do that in all my journals. There's your little mushroom packet. And this is the last signature. This one has something there, and then a large journaling pocket in the back. This music sheet is from the 1800s. I got it at a big flea market. I use it in most of my journals. I'm almost out of it. that little cluster. This one is the piano paper. I just put a little dangle clip on it. And there's a big pocket in the back. And there's a little pocket there. And another little pocket on the back. Journaling card. And that's the back of that one. So, love these. Just love them. I just started, making the covers, and I wasn't sure what I was going to do. And then when I started putting them together, I'm like, oh my God, I love these. Surprised myself. So there's 3 little journaling cards here. There's your little Velcro pocket. And again, same papers. So I'll just go through it quick. But I hope you love these as much as I do. There's that big journaling card. I just had so much fun with these. These were a blast. Still lots of room for journaling. This little tuck spot. A little journaling card there. Stitching. And lots of different digital printouts. Here's a little journaling card. Just clipped on. There's a little side tuck with like a reverse image of a die cut. And there's a little tuck. This one opens up and you could do some secret journaling. There's the little mushroom kit. And then in the last one, this is the one that has the big journaling card and 2 little side tucks behind it. So I just wanted to get these documented so they're in here, and I could link it to my Etsy page so that you could see what's inside before you buy them. This one I put the belly band off to the side. Little tuck, and again another little secret journaling spot. And this is the back. There's 3 little journaling cards back here. And that's the back of that one. So I will link this to my Etsy shop where I have all of these listed right now. And I'm working on my next set already. So I hope you love them. I love them. And I hope everyone's having a great day, great holiday. And we'll see you soon. Bye.